Hey everyone, sorry about the last video. The water was very loud. I did my best. I spoke as close to the microphone as I could, but alas, you can't really hear me. But at the end of the day, I was talking about how you can use nature to inspire your gardening. So, speaking of nature, I have in my garden today the last few still in bloom, in leaf, vanilla leaf plants, and I want to talk about them because they are a wonderful full shade ground cover that you could add to a garden space, and they are a bit delicate, so you want to put it in a place where you're not going to get a lot of foot traffic from your dogs or your kids, but they make a great ground cover. So this right here is commonly known as vanilla leaf, and that's because it has a very mild vanilla scent to it, especially when dried. And historically it had some medicinal uses. I don't know how effective those uses were, but apparently when crushed and mixed with water, it works as a way to induce vomiting. We have safer methods of inducing vomiting now, but that's what they used to do in ancient times. And apparently it was to treat for tuberculosis. Again, that's a lung disease, so I don't know how this would have done that, but that's the history behind this plant. It is native to the Pacific Northwest, as far north as British Columbia and as far south as Northern California, and it loves full shade, which can be very difficult to deal with, especially in the Pacific Northwest, because what also loves full shade are a lot of our invasives. So if you want to make an area that is a shade loving plant area of natives, one of them that you can pick is this one, the vanilla leaf. And the cool thing about vanilla leaf is that it grows by rhizomes. It does die back in the winter and fall, so you do lose where it is. So if you don't mark where you have it planted, you could accidentally dig it up or something, but it spreads by rhizomes. So once you have it established, it will continue spreading in your full shade area. It's a great companion plant for your lady ferns, your salmonberries, and your thimbleberries, as it commonly grows in tandem with those plants in the wild. It needs soil rich type environment, so your clays and your urban nutrient poor sites aren't going to really help this plant grow. But if you need to fill in a space that's only got full shade and nothing else is growing there, vanilla leaf is great. Right now I have a ton of weeds. I've got some like stinky bob all around and some other stuff that I need to get rid of. I need to mark this spot so I know I have my vanilla leaf here, and I need to pull all this other stuff before this dies back, so that next spring when it comes up, hopefully all I have is growing is vanilla leaf and none of the stinky bob. Oh look, a wild lily. I just like to end videos with her because she's just so sweet. Oh, such an adorable girl.